Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make bouillon the Haitian way. First thing you need is you need some meat, and the meat is boiling right now. I have some goat meat and also some beef, like feet, or I don't know. Yeah. And this takes a long time to cook, so what I did, I added some baking soda to speed up the process. And as you can see, this is the goat meat. It's gonna be really good. And as you're boiling it, you can't add any salt because it's gonna take longer. So what you can do is add your spices, and then you can add salt when it's about to cook, because the meat is really tough. It'll take about 2 hours to cook. Alright, so here I have some spinach, and I also have some carrots. So we're just gonna let this boil. I'm making a lot of bouillon, and I have plantains that I'm gonna add, peel it and cut it and put it in the bouillon also. I have some parsley, and I have some yam. I have no idea how you call it in English, but this is really good. So this is just the beginning process of it. I made a video before on how to make bouillon the Haitian way, and this one is just another version. The last time I used beef, but this one I'm using goat meat and beef beef feet or beef food. I don't know. Anyways, alright guys, so this is just the first step.